This is how you make peanut butter and jelly. First, we're going to start off with getting the bread. No, the peanut butter. Or the bread. Yeah, so I'm going to put it down my plate. Oh, and then when you get the bread on the paper plate, what we're going to do is get the peanut butter and put it on the bread. So first thing off, I'm going to open the peanut butter. Yeah, it smells really good. Yeah. I love the peanut butter smell. Now what we're going to do... Yeah, so good. That's really good. I love peanut butter. Ah, it makes me so joyful. Now what we're going to do is put it on the bread. Do you see it's really good how I'm putting it on there smoothly? Yeah, it's really good. So now we're going to put the jelly on there, which is not good. Yeah. Oh, ew. Yeah, so now, oh no, no why? Yeah, I'm really a loser. So now what we're going to do is put the jelly onto the other piece of bread. Yeah. And what I really need to do is get this peanut butter off my face. Yeah. Oh, it's really hard making peanut butter and jelly. That's how you do it. See, we don't even need knives to do that. And see, I just love it. I can be all over my face all the time. Yeah. There's jelly on my pants. Oh no.